Hello everybody. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing today. We'll hope it's quick. And Cotty is trained on me. Okay. So she's on. If there's a box on the bench, she's got to be there. So let's move Cotty. This is the box. So it's chips. So you'll know from the description, but it's vintage chips. So you can't buy these brand new anymore. Sometimes you can find old stock, but this one here, it seemed to be a good deal. It's a lot of work to clean them up, straighten the leads and erase them, but I'll do that on the live stream. I think that's what I'll start doing. I got a bag of chips over here to do. I'm waiting on the customer to send me his master chip. So it looks like he did a pretty good packing job. What's in this? Paper towels. Oop, here's some. It's 5. So pretty good packing. So yeah, I watched, he had these for a while, and I kept watching them and made him a couple offers, and then we finally settled on a final offer. And looks like the packing might have been okay. Yeah, they're kind of loose in there, some of them. So you can never have too many of these vintage Eproms. These ones require a special programmer, but there should be roughly about 200 of them here. So the listing was for 200 plus. So yeah, some of them are falling off. I'm gonna have to get some more tubes. I'm running out of tubes myself. So I'll have to throw these in the eraser, and these require a special programmer because they're 26 volts VPP, which is the programming voltage, and -5 on the active voltage. Kitty. She's always in the way. So I can just hope none of these fall off. There you go. So we have, how many on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 times 7. Grab a calculator here. I don't want to do that in my head right now. $91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and 3, 103. So flip that over. Let's throw some of the empties in here. 13, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 91. 103 plus 91. It's 194, 95, 96, 97, 98, 200, 1, 2. So we got 202, so that's 200 plus. Do you want cookies? You won't eat them? It's a refill. You gotta wait a week. Here. She'll just turn her nose up at it. She just don't like that refill. So. But, it's an oddball looking one. But like this is 27th week of 1980. These are old. I have a special pair of needle nose I use. These are for beading. They're very smooth on the inside, and they're great for whenever you get a bent lead. Come in here and just give it a for straightening. So they're, but yeah, these are should tell you guys the model. These are TMS2716JL. So these are found in a lot of old machinery and stuff. So, but I got to get some more tubes. I'm running out of spare tubes. Ooh, see, like that. Those pins there. Just use that and straighten them up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely put those in tubes. So. But that was this little unboxing. So, Cotty won't eat these cookies for some reason. They're the same brand. Oop. Oh, she just wants them fed to her. You see that? No? Oh, she's turning her nose up at it. She'll eventually take it. So, we'll catch y'all later.